I love sausage and peppers. I love sausage. I love all sorts of sausage. Chicken sausage, pork sausage. I just love sausage. 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 I love sausage. Sausage. And we're gonna shake our dudes right on top of it. Oh, I needed that. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Dudes Gourmet, and on this channel we make food easy and delicious. Today we're making a real easy sausage and pepper hero, and we're going to be showcasing our Chef Jonathan's Sunday seasoning. This is real quick. I already have my coals nice and hot. This is a cast iron skillet made by Weber. It goes in the insert in the middle of your grill. So I already got this thing ripping hot. Let's get our veggies on. Here we got 1 orange pepper, 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, and an onion, and I think a yellow pepper too. Good old-fashioned sausage and peppers. Now we're gonna shake our dudes right on top of it. Gonna mix these bad boys up a little bit. So while that's going on, we're gonna open up our sausages. I'm actually using a chicken sausage because, you know, it's about the summer, trying to get my beach body back. They're only 120 calories each. Noah, once again, this karisuke is awesome. Thank you for sending me this out. Guys, I'll have a link in my description below on where you can get your hands on this. ForgeTheTable.com. This thing is beautiful. I've never seen a knife like this. We're gonna get our sausages over here on some direct heat. They're already fully cooked. We're really just gonna get some char marks on them. Get yourself a really nice bread. Getting a little dry in there. Don't forget, our Sunday seasonings available on our website, dudesgourmet.com. Should be the only place you're getting seasonings nowadays. It's all natural, you know, and I deliver. You don't have to worry about going to a store. Keep mixing these up. Turn our sausages over. Let's cover these bad boys up for a little bit. Got my beautiful bread here. Take some of that inside out. These smell awesome. I like doing these on charcoal because you get like a real nice smoky flavor to them. Real nice. If you guys even want, you can throw a sausage in here, you know, get some of that oil going from the sausage. All these sausages over here, and we're just gonna wait. Cover this bad boy up. Wait a couple minutes. We're gonna drink. This video is in no way sponsored by Red Bull, but summer edition watermelon is the best. Changed my mind. If you guys want to send me a case of this, I'm totally open for it. You know, hit me up in the description below. I'll send you my address. Oh, these things smell delicious. Let's flip these things over. This guy's got my name on it right here. Take some peppers. Look at that. Oh man. You guys see how easy that is? Come on. Sausage, peppers, kettle, Red Bull. Gives you wings. All right, back at it again with the easy stuff. Sausage is good for chicken. Who would have thought it? That's totally the cheesy one. The best. Absolutely the best one. Don't care what anybody says. Chicken sausage, who would have thought? So easy. I just can't get over how easy it is. So good. Don't forget, head over to dudesgourmet.com. Get all your seasonings. Check out a recipe. Hit the like button below. Subscribe to my channel. Order some seasonings. It's getting nice out. Everybody needs to eat outside. It's beautiful. It's barbecue season. Go outside. Get some fresh sun. Cook a steak. Do some sausage. Do some peppers. What are you waiting for? See how easy that was? Stupid easy. Come on. Anybody can do that.